It's a very inventive name, the Wrecker. It's how you say it, really. It's not the Wrecker, because that's boring. It's the Wrecker. Ideally, every truck that we build, we'd want to fully mock up the entire vehicle, go through the full fabrication process with everything assembled, get it exactly the way we want it, and then blow it all apart, coat, paint, do everything we need to all the pieces, final assembly of axles and everything like that, and then put it back together. Time does not always afford us that opportunity, but it is kind of important. If you try to get too far ahead of yourself and you're starting to like paint parts and put things back together, you're just running yourself into a nightmare. I started using Pitbull tires really early on when we started building four-wheel drives. I love the options, the sizes that he has available. They perform amazing off-road, and we even use them on our tow rigs. So I was looking forward to the opportunity to meet the man behind the tire designs, and we finally got the opportunity to hook up and connect at one of the events, and he's just a great dude. Great all-around guy, really passionate about what he does, believes very strongly in building good quality products, and that's something that I could get behind.
When did I first meet Kenny? That's a good question. Actually, when I first started interacting with him, he was just sending us photos of his builds with our tires on them. And we liked him so much, I said, let's start using his stuff in ads. Let's start pushing his name. Let's get it out there. He can help us, we'll help him. And we just started doing that. We liked his builds. And then the first time I met him, I think was at the Unlimited Off-Road Expo in Louisville that first year. We met face to face.
So we got to this point of the build, we took one of our gear wrench toolboxes and actually cut it in half, spun the two pieces around back to back, welded them together, and put them right behind the cab. At first we weren't sure we were going to have enough room to put the toolbox along with the stacks and the coilover suspension. It was kind of a tight fit, but we finessed everything and moved everything a little bit this way and that, and we have just the right amount of room for these gear wrench toolboxes with tool drawers on either side.
What is Pitbull Tires? I don't know, what is Pitbull Tires? It's like, well, it's our company, it's our business. It's our philosophy of loyalty, aggressiveness. We picked the name, obviously, because the kind of industry we're in and what we were targeting. In particular, the niche extreme off-road market to begin with, because we figured if we could prove ourselves there, we could prove ourselves anywhere, right? So what is it? It's, actually, it's we feel like a pack. Anybody who becomes a member of our pack, we want to take care of. Same thing with our employees.